I can do a different one. She can do 3 and I could do like 8 or 9 if that makes it easier. But I'm
It
also
kind of makes it,
confirming.
when I get in my mode, I kind of need it to be structured like or I'll get confused, but we'll see. I think Landers is going to be gone soon. So I'll put you in 8 until 5 comes available. All right, let's get going. I'm going to start letting them in.
Judge, how are we doing the plea offers?
Same way as we've always done them, right? I don't understand your question, I guess.
Are the plea offers emailed to us?
They should have been. Maybe you didn't get them because there's
Yeah,
just came in.
Second ad.
Copy of.
Ms. Harris, do you mind emailing me the offers you received? I can chat you my email.
Let me see. I may be able to do it.
Thank you, Judge. I'll chat you my email.
Hi, good morning.
Attorney Harris is going to do it. Thank you so much.
All right, very well. All right.
Okay. Ready, Judge? All rise. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a do-rag or any kind of head covering that does not represent religious purpose, please remove it right now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
You may be seated. All right. Anybody that's on a phone, if you answer your call on that phone, you're going to probably get dropped off here and you're going to lose your spot. So unless you have to answer the phone, I wouldn't answer the phone because you may lose your spot. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to try to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out that you came in. So, what about the reviews? Is our Keith Garrett here? Latron Green, Summer Griffin, Twiller Griffin, Tierra Lewis, Edward Little, or Jesus Lopez Alba here? Any of those individuals here? All right.
Oh, Lord, you Jesus.
All right, everybody's got to turn their background noise off or mute themselves, please. This is the city of Detroit versus, wait a minute, Harold Orange.
Yeah, good morning, Edward Taylor.
Please. I haven't called the judge.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It might be, and if you are.
City of Detroit versus Harold Orange, Z7-88130. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Harold Orange. Mr. Orange, would you state your name, please?
Harold Orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I consulted with my client and he wants a bench trial, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Orange?
Right here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Take your hat off, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Have you been testing, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, how's the testing been going?
Negative.
All right, I'm gonna check with probation. In the meantime, if you don't hear from me, we're all good, but if you hear from us, then we need to see you, okay? Because they were saying something different than what you're telling me. But I'm gonna give you a trial date of May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Orange, have a very good rest of your.
Let me check that date, Your Honor. Yeah, that should be good. May 7th. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a very good rest of your day.
Thomas said he was gonna be a probation officer.
Oh, that's good. Just ask him what Miss Orange. All right.
You got it. Yes, sir. May 7th. Okay. You say, wait a minute.
Judge, would you like me to go to room 5 now? Oh, never
Is it
mind.
open? Is it open?
Well, there's somebody in there.
Yeah, we'll wait. That'll be your room when they vacate that room.
I mean, I think there's a client in there, Mr. Landers.
No, it's somebody else's client.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. And thank you, Attorney Harris.
City of Detroit versus Marlo LaJuan Leverett, case number. State of Michigan versus Marlo LaJuan Leverett, case number SX 4629406, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Leverett.
Marlo LaJuan Leverett.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. And what is it set for, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, I've not identified it on the docket.
Leverett Marlowe is set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Arraignment on the bench warrant. Purposes of arraignment?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leverett, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Evander Gordon, case number SP 109-08831, SP 110-72661, SP 113-72701, SP 1183642, counts 1 and 2 and 3, SP 11922-812, SP 121-7798. 1, SP 122-36761, SP 129-0505, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 129-0506. SP 129-3134, counts 1, 2, and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable report, Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Evander. Gordon.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is the date and time set for a arraignment on the warrants. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gordon, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join us past the matter. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Jenkins versus Melvin Leggett. Case number 18-2862791, 18-444-549, counts 1, 2, and 3, 18-466-8661. Appearance for the record, please. You can run his license.
Good morning, Mayor. Please the court, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, will you please state your full name for the record? You have to take yourself off mute. You're muted right now.
Melvin Leggett.
Thank
Good
you.
morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the warrants. Purposes of arraignment.
Stand mute and ask that the bench warrant be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leggett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. His license is valid, Ms. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Madam
This
Clerk.
is the city of Detroit. Mr. DiMaggio, are you there?
Yes, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Edward Loggins. Monique Loggins. Wait a minute. Is there again, I guess I'm confused again. Is Dominique Loggins the same as Monique Loggins, Edward?
Hello.
Yes. Okay. Good morning to you. Let's
That's
call
right.
it city of Detroit versus Dominique Edward Loggins, aka Monique Chantel Loggins. How would you, which name do you go by, ma'am?
My legal name is Dominique Loggins.
Dominique Loggins, correct?
Correct.
All right. Appearance for the record, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, P 45619, on behalf of Dominique Loggins.
Okay. Today, date and time set for a pre-trial. You indicated that you want to get some discovery.
Yes, Judge. I'll email Ms. Horn today for the video. That's what Ms. Loggins wants to look at.
Okay. All right. You have not asked for that discovery yet. Ms. Loggins has a valid driver's license. That's the first thing. I'll give you another pre-trial date. Pre-trial is to be April the 27th, 2026 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, I wish you both a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you both. All right.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Take care. Thank you.
pass the matter. Morning to you, Ms. Villaroo.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
I have two that I've been assigned to this morning, Your Honor. The first is Selvin Diego Lopez - Tomas.
Here.
And the second is Davis Barbaro Leon, Leon, Leon.
Okay. Good morning to you on the Samsung device. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Jesse Jerome Lee.
Jesse Jerome Lee.
Yes.
That's Mr. Boffman's client, Jesse Lee. Mr. Boffman is all right. Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Soroki, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I'm hearing Gregory Oliver for a trial, and I already have an offer on this case. He has numerous tickets. I could talk to the prosecutor again, speak to the defendant if he has showed up.
All right, who let public member in? Public member? Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
And good morning. Start your camera, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. Start your camera, please.
Okay.
Do you have a case, ma'am?
No.
Okay, you need to watch on YouTube.
Oh.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be safe. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Okay. Gregory Oliver Jr. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 9. Wait on Mr. Soroki to come see you, okay? He's gonna, so I have a lot of officers I think are here, but if you already have an offer, then discuss that with him. Go to breakout room 4 to further negotiate.
Can you do the link again?
Pardon me? It's already there. You have to go down to the bottom of your screen and it should, if you see it, it should open up. Breakout room, it should always be open to you.
That's why he needs to go.
On the telephone at 313-826-4058. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Lamont Green.
Say that again.
Lamont Green.
Lamont Green. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. All right. Who are we ready on?
Your Honor, Attorney Daniel Guerin ready on Smolsky.
On Smolsky?
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning to you, and good morning to your client, Mr. Osmolsky. Did I get it? Am I pronouncing that right, Mr. Osmolsky? Where is he?
You have to, Michael, you have to unmute. He's on, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael James Osmolsky, case number 0531778. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Appearance for the record, please.
Daniel Guerin, 42261 for defendant. Defendant is here, Your Honor. Apparently he's having a hard time unmuting. This is a date and time for a bench warrant arraignment. Ask that the court enter a not guilty plea, set aside the warrant, and continue the bond that's already been set.
Well, we're gonna adjust the bond. We're gonna adjust the bond on these type of cases. I have a standard bond for your first time. The OWI or however it's listed, OWVI. Mr. Osmolsky, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Michael Joseph Osmolsky.
Okay, good morning to you. Osmolsky, is that correct pronunciation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. As for purposes of bond, I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond. I'm going to have you start testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And obviously no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer the matter to probation. I do need a good phone number from you.
601.
You're breaking up.
Your Honor, his phone number is 586-601-5293.
All right. And I'm going to give him the number to probation. He doesn't have to call. He shouldn't have to call them, but this is just the case he has. So he has contact and he knows the courts, how to get in touch with the court. You do as well, Counselor. That number is going to be 313-965-3414. And you shouldn't have to call probation. Probation should call you. Today is Thursday, April the 9th. I realize that a test may not be had this week, but if it can, good. If not, I need to see a test by next week. I'll give you those numbers so that if it gets down to it and probation hasn't called you, I'll need you to be proactive and you need to get in touch with probation so we can get that test. If there's a positive, a diluted, or a missed test, then we're going to consider that as a positive test and we're going to up the ante on the bond. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you want a pre-trial for this or do you want a straight trial date?
Your Honor, I believe this is a probation violation for a matter that dates back to 2018.
Okay. All right. Let's get probation down here, please.
I believe it dates back to like 2008.
Let's get probation down here. Then I see that now. Let me pass the matter. Let's see what probation has to say.
Very good.
All right. Then I'll give you an opportunity to speak, Counselor, after we hear from what they need to say. Let's pass the matter.
I appreciate that. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. Anyone else ready?
I'm ready, Judge. This is Attorney Jenkins.
Let's go. Is that Vassal Johnson, Attorney Johnson? Are you ready? All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Leggett would like to avail himself of the offer, plead to improper plates, dismiss the remaining tickets.
You want to take the deal, sir? I mean, these are 2018 tickets.
Are
you gonna recall something? Unless you're gonna take it under a no contest plea. What is? Do you want to go back and talk to the city about this?
Actually, I think I can text the city really quickly. Can we recall this matter, Judge?
Pass the matter.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris?
I just wanted to be certain that the matters for Mr. Gordon, even the civil infractions, are all within the time frame that the defaults could be set aside?
No, none of his stuff can be set aside.
I know the court called more than just the one thing that was on the docket.
Yeah, he has all these civil infractions that are not, they're old. Everything is old. Did you need me to go through the list of what he has on here or not?
Well, he actually gave me a copy of his printout from the court. So if that is still the same, then I can work from that.
Very well.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. And to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Your name, please?
Victor Housing, sir.
Victor Housey?
Yes.
All right.
Jabari Roll, sir.
All right, my pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you for coming in.
Yes, sir. Thank you for allowing us.
Hello. You may be seated.
Yes, sir.
Zoom user, good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your name, please?
Lamont Green.
Now I've already talked to you, Mr. Green. I need Zoom user. I just let Zoom user in the room. You have to unmute yourself, Zoom user, and
Hello,
state your name.
John Gaines.
Not you, Mr. Gaines.
Oh, my
And if anybody is speaking to me, please make sure your camera is on. Zoom user, ma'am, good morning to you. You have to unmute yourself, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. What is your name, ma'am?
Sharina Long.
Say that again.
Sharina Long.
All right, I've already checked you in. If anybody answers the telephone, you're going to fall off, and you're gonna lose your spot.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Barry, are you ready on Leverett? Leverett, are you ready on Leverett?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for the improper license charge and failure to use due care and caution as to a utility vehicle for the reckless driving charge. The remaining matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
He went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yeah, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to December the 12th, 2025 at around 9:35 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of Southfield, southbound Lodge in 8 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day? Well, that wouldn't be southbound in M8. That would be Davison Freeway.
Yeah. I honestly don't remember, Your Honor.
You recall getting stopped by the Michigan State Troopers on that day?
Yes.
On the Lodge Freeway?
Not on the freeway. It was on the side street.
And you're driving this Tesla, sir?
Yeah.
And you were going over 100 miles an hour on this Tesla?
Yeah.
All right, I'm not taking this deal. I'm not taking this deal without a driving course, Mr. Barry.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll speak with the prosecutor.
Oh, I'm not taking a deal without a driving course. I'll go back in there. You can take a better driver's course, come back in, and I need to know from you, I need you to take notes if you want to take the course. If not, you plead as charged. You have 6 points on your license and your license will be suspended. For 90 days, hard suspension. If you come back in, I want you to take some copious notes, what you learned out of that course. I'll put the course name in the chat. It's up to you whether you want to take it or not. But I need to know, I want some copious notes, and I want to know really what you learned out of that. Go back in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, and Mr. Berry, and you don't have to speak to the prosecutor. You can speak with him. If he wants to take the deal, he can take the deal, all right? And as long as he's gonna take that course, we'll give him time to take the course. We'll pass the matter. All right, who are we ready on?
I'm ready on mine, Judge.
Which one do you have? Landers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Laddick?
Yes.
Landers, Laddick, Lee Nettles?
Yes.
And
Grattan.
And who?
Grattan. Justin Grattan.
I don't know if did he make it in?
Yes, we talked. We're in a breakout room.
Let's go with I have in front of me. I don't see Nico Landers. Are you ready on Laddick?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jonathan Deshaun Laddick. Case number SP1862385, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
That piece of court, Basil Johnson II, 72130 on Mr. Laddick. He's on Zoom.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time. Where, Mr. Laddick, state your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Deshaun Laddick.
All right. Mr. Laddick, what does your client want to do, Mr.
Judge, if
Johnson?
I can, I just got his email like 5 minutes ago. Can we go over the discovery? Can we have a pre-trial date to discuss his options so he can see the videos?
The 27th of April at 8:30.
Thank
you. If there's nothing further, Mr. Laddick, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too, sir.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Javon Cortez Lee Nettles. Case numbers SP1164074, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1266319-1. SP162146, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1741882, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP9044-101, 184234-241, 184340-201, 20714423, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please court Basil Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Lee Nettles. He's on Zoom.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lee Nettles. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Javon Lee Nettles.
All right, date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Lee Nettles want to do?
Bench trial, Your Honor.
Trial date is going to be May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lee Nettles owes 1, 2, no insurance proofs at $288 a piece. He can potentially set himself up to get a valid driver's license or at least get clearances here if he pays those 2. No insurance proof at $288 a piece. Mr. Lee Nettles, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right. And quick question. You said May 7th at 9 o'clock?
May 7th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Oh, you too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Nico Landers, case number SP 181-74561, SP 186-4477, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please court Basil Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Landers. He's on Zoom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Landers. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Nico Landers.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Barrett, Mr. Johnson, what does Mr. Landers want to do?
Can I, same issue with Mr. Ledak. If I just got his email, I have to send him the videos to discuss. If we can have that pretrial date, that'd be great.
27, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Mr. Landers, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
27 or at 9?
27th at 8:30.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Who do you have next, Mr.
Mr. Gratton?
Gratton?
Yeah, Justin Gratton. Yes, sir.
And where's Mr. Gratton?
Right here, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see him. I never saw him check out. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Justin Gratton, case number SP 186-2487, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please court Basil Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Gratton on Zoom.
All right. State your name for the record, Mr. Gratton. Good morning to you.
Justin Gratton. Good morning.
All right. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Gratton want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Trial date is going to be May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gratton, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. And you're done, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
May 7th at 9.
Yes.
May 7th at 9. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, do you want to take the class?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you a pre-trial date. That's going to be May the 27th. You have the class, right? I put it in the chat, right?
I'm trying to. No, it's not inside of here. It's not. It's a chat disabled.
All right, I'm gonna put it in the chat again. Take a screenshot of it. Now you understand what the assignment is, right?
Yeah, to complete the course.
And no, not just complete the course. I need you to know. I need to know some. I need some copious notes from the course. All right.
Okay.
If you have the nerve enough to go 110 miles an hour, sir, you're gonna really hurt yourself and hurt somebody. All right.
Yeah, I understand.
Come back on the 27th of April at 8:30. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you got out of that course. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mariana Garcia.
I'm here.
Oh, who represents Vincent Gorey? Did anybody represent Vincent Gorey? All right, give me 1 second, Ms. Garcia. This is the city versus Vincent Gorey. Case number SP 133-1257, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 136-5603, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-6816, counts 1 and 2. SP 182-69561. SP 9222961. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gorey.
Boring.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Shortridge or Sergeant Shortridge, Sergeant Buffington is here. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay? Fencing board, I think only the two officers appeared. When you see
Your Honor,
yes,
I'm just showing one case on the docket. This can't be.
no, look at trial. That's I have all of them on here. Shortridge appeared. Let me cross him off. Buffington, Sergeant Buffington appeared. And then there was I don't know if Officer Johnson appeared. W. Johnson. I don't know. I'd have to go through my list on that. Yeah, he's on here. You need to know the cases, Mr. Barry?
I'll be able to retrieve it, Your Honor.
9 a.m. All right, he's in the breakout room and see if you can work it out for him. Let's pass the matter. Miss Jenkins, are we ready on Leggett?
I haven't heard back from the prosecutor, Your Honor. Is there any way the court could dismiss sua sponte?
Well, yeah, I'm going to give her an opportunity to, if they usually these cases dismiss, he has a valid license. Do you have valid insurance and registration, Mr. Leggett?
Not at the moment, Your Honor. He's on mute.
It would be I would make a motion. If you made that motion, I would entertain the motion based on the age of the tickets, but I'm going to give her an opportunity to be heard on her case.
Thank you very much,
All right.
Your Honor. Mr.
Why don't
Leggett,
we
if you have questions, I chatted you. Sorry to interrupt, Your Honor.
Sorry, why don't we go ahead and just, when we get text Ms. Horn, please, and tell her we need her in here, please. Why don't we go to Mrs. Garcia? This is the City of Detroit versus Mariana Garcia, case number SP 187-4823, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, will you please state your full name for the record?
Mariana Garcia.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Jenkins, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Garcia. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. If Ms. Garcia wants a appointed attorney to take a better look at this, we can provide her with that. When you see the prompt, Ms. Garcia, join the room. You'll be in 5 now. Ms. Jenkins, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter C3822.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear or affirm to tell that you'll do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to wait on Mr. Selvin Lopez Thomas to make sure he doesn't have an attorney, Ms.
Señor Selvin López Tomás, dígame, ¿usted ha contratado su propio abogado?
No.
No, he does not.
Okay, very well. I didn't. All right, he's set for trial. Run his driver's license, please.
Sabemos, señor, que usted está aquí para el propósito de ir a juicio.
Mr. Boffman, are we ready on Gregory Oliver?
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, we are ready. I mean, we're ready on Jesse Lee.
Jesse Lee?
Right.
Yes. Hello?
City of Detroit versus Jesse Lee, case number SP 158-37041. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry
Jesse.
Laughlin, on behalf of the defendant, please state your full name for the record, sir.
Jesse Jerome Lee.
Good
We have
morning
an
to you,
agreement.
sir. Officer Nazar was here.
Right. So my client is agreeing here and now to waive his rights to today's event trial. He's gonna plead pursuant to the recommendation. Your Honor, we're asking because of plausible civil liability that this court accept a no contest plea to the firearms violation. For the purpose of that plea, I would stipulate to the information contained within the four corners of the complaint.
Have you got any objection from the city from that?
No, Your Honor,
civil liability?
I did speak to Ms. Horn about this.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Okay, can I speak on something real quick? Because I'm not understanding.
I'm gonna give you, you don't understand, go back in the breakout room and speak
No.
with your.
If you have a question, sir, it's best that we speak in confidence about that. Your Honor, may I put him in the breakout room, please?
You may.
Thank you. Sir, would you join room 10, please? Mr. Oliver, would you join room 11?
Let's pass the matter.
Thank you.
On the Motorola.
I'm looking for the prompt. That's it.
On the Motorola, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Motorola, I just let you in the room.
Annie Linebarger?
No, good morning to you, Ms. Lineberger. Motorola, I just let you in the room.
La persona con el dispositivo Motorola, acaba usted de entrar a la sala. Prenda su micrófono y díganos su nombre.
Is that Motorola, ma'am or sir? Can you unmute yourself and state your name?
Hello?
No, Motorola, you have to unmute yourself. I think they're having an issue with unmuting. They should see the prompt there, ma'am. Sir, on the Motorola, you just checked in. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Charlie Larkin.
You say Larkin?
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Larkin.
Okay. Good morning.
Why are you keeping on saying it?
Any relation to Terry Larkin?
No.
So it's Charlie Larkin. Charlie Larkin.
Talking to me like what? What you want to say?
Excuse me, please mute your device.
No.
That's Charlie Larkin Jr.
Yes.
All right. Good morning. All right, I'm gonna mute you. We're taking them in the order that they came in. So it's gonna be a minute. We have a lot of people today.
Oh, okay.
iPhone 5, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your name, please?
Ajane Goodwin.
Miss Goodwin, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Matter set for trial. iPhone 2, good morning to you. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning on the iPhone 2. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please? You just unmuted yourself. You, sir, yes.
Lamont Green.
Say that again.
Lamont Green.
Lamont Green. You were in here earlier, right?
Yeah, I've been right here waiting on you.
Oh,
This is the iPhone.
yes, sir.
Good morning to you on the iPhone. What is
Good
your
morning.
name?
Evander Gordon.
Evander Gordon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't see how you guys keep falling off.
And then the connector and it just left me on pause and then just left the meeting.
Yes, I haven't
All
been
right.
nowhere. I've been watching.
Hold on one second. And we have iPhone 132. Good morning to you. What is your
Hey,
name,
sir.
please?
This is Sergeant Easton. I got a new phone, so I don't know why it doesn't rename me now when I come in the courtroom.
All right. Sergeant Easton, you're past the cutoff.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was in another courtroom. I was in Judge Youngblood's courtroom.
All right. I won't dismiss for no officer. I'm gonna dismiss for just the time, all right?
All right, thank you, sir. Yeah, I don't want to get no missed court appearance. Thank you.
No, it won't be for no officer. All right. I don't know, who's your defendant?
I gotta go back to my email. I have it in here.
Because if your defendant's not here, then what's good for the goose? Oliver is here. Oliver is here.
Oliver,
Okay.
yes, it is Oliver.
All right, he's here. All right. Be safe.
Thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome.
Have a good one. Bye.
Let's get back to it. All right, are we ready on Garcia?
Judge, we need Trustee Lee.
Ms. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client wants to do? They want an appointed attorney?
Yes, please, Judge.
I need a good phone number for Ms. Garcia.
I can chat it. I got her phone number, her email, and her address.
Put it in the chat, please. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Garcia?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assign you an attorney. I need you to answer the calls you're not recognized. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of April the 27th, 2026 at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm waiting on the
I'm sending, sorry, there's so many windows.
What happened?
Did that come through?
It did.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Grace Garcia, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. I'll see you back on the 27th of April. Best of luck to you.
What time was it again? April 27th?
8:30.
Okay.
8:30.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a better one.
Bye.
City of Detroit versus let me get this Ms. Villarule. City of Detroit versus this is an interpreter case, Ms. Jenkins, so allow Ms. Villarule to interpret and we'll speak and then go on back and forth from there. City of Detroit versus Selvin Diego Lopez Thomas, case number SP 186-3252, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Selvin Diego López Tomás, número de caso SP 1863-25, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Selvin Diego López Tomás.
Selvin Diego López Tomás.
Appearance for the record, please.
Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Thank you. Good morning. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lopez Tomas.
Gracias y buenos días. Habla Tonya Jenkins representando al señor López Tomás.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez Tomas. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Sergeant Rios did appear. Ms. Jenkins, Mr. Tomas, an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for that trial.
Este es el día. Buenos días a usted, señor López Tomás. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. Sépase que el sargento Ríos se presentó. Así que, señora abogada, consígale a este acusado una oferta de resolución actualizada. Y tenga en mente, señor López Tomás, que si a usted no le gusta esa oferta, puede proceder a tener el juicio hoy.
Let's pass the matter.
Judge. Thank you. We're sure Mr. Officer Rios appeared?
I'm sure of that.
All right. Thank you.
Gracias. Estamos seguros que el oficial Ríos se presentó. Sí, así es. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
Thank you. So I'll see you in room 5.
Here, Gerald Laws. I'll put him in. Oh my goodness. I'll put him in on the cell phone. It's gonna be a minute for him. Okay. Opens his file. Any questions?
No, sir. You're legendary.
I don't know about that, but a lot going on today. So where are you guys from? Okay. And is Chief, you're a teacher?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's professor, that's what's up. They won't let me teach over there. I'd like to make some extra money. My father always said, every man's got to have at least 2 hustles. All right, you have the counselor is back. Good morning again, Ms. Horn. You have a list of people waiting.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You say what? Owens is up here already. Sir, Green is just in great mood. Humming
Yeah, I
and
woke
singing.
up today.
Put you on mute, all right? All right. On the telephone at 313-283-2296. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Gerald Laws.
Oh, Gerald Laws. I didn't know if you were gonna make it.
He's in the hall. Yeah, I'm on.
All right. Good morning to you. Corporal Spidell.
Good morning to you.
Yes, Your Honor. I just had to sign into another courtroom.
Very well. You know, the city attorney is here. Go ahead. You can come on back.
All right, thank you.
All right, we're waiting on an attorney now. Mr. Baughman, are we ready on Mr. Lee?
Ready.
As Mr. Lee, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jesse Lee. Mr. Lee, you got all your questions answered now?
Yes, sir.
Well, all the questions related to this, you may not get all your questions answered, but related to this, you got all your questions. You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
And you know you're gonna have to, this $500 fine in a month and take it's gonna be 12, it's gonna be a 12-month delay. You're gonna have to take a gun safety course as well, correct?
So that would be the issue because I'm a habitual felon. That's why I tried to take it to trial. So, whatever deal they was trying
Mr.
to say,
Mr. Lee, please don't, not too much information.
yo,
You're not going to have a problem taking that course, are you?
what course?
It's a gun safety class.
I can't take no gun safety
Why?
class. I'm a 3-time felon.
That we're not talking.
What's that got to do with taking a gun safety class?
Right.
And if you're a 3-time felon, then you shouldn't be firing guns. You shouldn't even have a gun.
My wife has the gun.
All right, so you so what's that got to do with you taking a gun safety course?
Why would I take a gun safety course and I'm not supposed to be around guns? She has a gun in the lockbox.
Well, wait a minute. Okay, let's stop. If you're not supposed to be around guns, then why are you around guns?
I'm married to a woman that doesn't have felons. She has a gun.
So you're married to a woman that's putting you in jeopardy of because she wants to own a gun then. So I'm not listening to all that. If you want to take the deal or you don't.
Judge, I'm glad you're not listening. Mr. Lee, you're saying entirely too much on the record.
I'll take the deal. I'll take the deal. I'll take the deal. I'll take the deal.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. You know, you talk too much, first of all, and then the other issue is if your wife has the gun and you're in the house with the gun and you're not supposed to be, that's one issue. Then the other issue is they say Mr. Lee discharged the gun. So not only you're not even supposed to be in the house with the gun, they say you discharged the gun, and you're shaking your head no.
We're not contesting these charges, Your Honor. I would remind the court, and I'm respectfully remind the court that we are asking the court to accept a no contest plea for the reasons that have already been placed on the record. And I would stipulate to the information contained within the four corners of the complaint for the purpose of the plea and ask my client to stand mute, please.
All right. Do you understand? You know the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Boffman went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not? I need a 12-month.
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
No, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
And with that stipulation, you have, Mr. Boffman, I'm gonna enter a no contest plea as charged, and no contest plea is going to be treated as a guilty plea. New Year's shots fired tradition.
April the 9th, 2020.
I almost shouldn't even take the deal.
Judge, I can't tell what kind of head covering this linebacker has.
I know. April the 9th. All right. May the 11th, you're going to pay this $500 by May the 11th. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or there are other ways, but I need to make sure that that's here by May the 11th. That's your next court date. Then we're going to set a review date for April the 9th. You can take this course at eBay. I can give you or you can take it at National, Rifle Association or National Gun or whatever kind of nationally approved course that is. eVay has a course. I can give you the number to eVay. No, I'm sorry, strike that. It's May the 11th, but I need that money by. By April the 9th of 2027, you need to have that course taken and don't get in any other trouble like this. So we're going to see another New Year's go by if we live to see it. And we're going to see if there's another tradition. If that's what says it on the ticket, we'll see if that tradition is still held out. All right.
Yes, sir.
You understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. If it's nothing further, do you need that number to eBay, or are you gonna find your own gun safety course to take? Or are you gonna help him out, Mr. Boffman? I don't know.
I have the number. I'll make sure that he gets the information he needs.
I just got a question for my lawyer.
Okay.
All
Can you ask me that after we close?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
All right, May the 11th, $500, sir. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back at 8:25 on May the 11th.
Thank you again, Your Honor.
Thank you. Anybody else, Mr. Boffman?
That's everybody for me today. Thank you.
Very well. Mr. Hijazi, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
Is this a civil infraction?
Yes, Your Honor. There's actually 2 civil infractions and a fail to display where the recommendation is for a dismissal on the misdemeanor.
I don't see your client.
Yeah, Your Honor, actually, he was trying to get on. I've been in contact with him on the phone. He's having a hard time getting on Zoom. He's getting the spinning wheel, but I advised him of everything, and I'm not sure if you're willing to allow me to move the court to waive his presence, given that the misdemeanor is going to be dismissed, and then the recommendation is to plead responsible to the civil infractions, if that's possible with you.
All right. It's the City of Detroit versus Devias Barrow Leon, case number SP 159085, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1859491. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Devious Leon. Your Honor, I would be requesting a waiver of my client's presence. I have fully informed him of the resolution today, and given his issue with the technology, I would hope that you would allow us to proceed given the offer.
And what is the civil infraction he's pleading to?
Your Honor, the civil infractions as written on the ticket are going to be pled responsible to. So a civil infraction for littering and a civil infraction for a safety belt.
I see why his device is showing the circles, because he knows probably how I feel about the littering.
Your Honor, I've never been in front of you in front of a littering case for me to ever advise him on that. So I promise it's not intentional.
He probably heard me, but especially he comes on into the city, and let's see what the ticket reads.
From my understanding, yeah.
Trash out when he's leaving the parking lot. Just throwing his trash out, leaving the city, then going back to his comforts of his home outside the city. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Pause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Your Honor, are we on the misdemeanor? The prosecutor, after presenting the international driver's license, Your Honor, the prosecutor was moving to dismiss that case.
Yeah, you stipulate the probable cause for that dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as charged to the littering on the seatbelt, 170 for the littering, 65 for the seatbelt. Pay it at 2 weeks. Pay it April the 23rd. If there's something further, Mr. Hijazi, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll grant your motion to waive the client's presence. Best of luck to you.
We appreciate that. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goree. Mr. Goree, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving on a suspended license number, the digits being 69561. He would also enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge at 2572. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Goree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to November the 10th, 2025 at around 2:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, an area of Nevada and Charleston. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
My license was suspended.
Find your client guilty as to the amended charge of failure to display. Let me carry your attention way back to March the 24th, 2022 at around 1:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Aglin. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration for that vehicle.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
My plates was expired. The registration was expired.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate with stipulation of probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll cut you a break. 240. You owe some other civil infractions. I'll waive the warrant fee. You owe one reinstatement fee. When can you pay it?
May the 3rd.
Pay it by May the 3rd. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Goree, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
I have one question. How much was it, Judge?
40.
240. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Well,
this is the wrong, Mr. Owens is not, is Mr. Earl Dean Owens there?
That's our in person. He's in the.
So Mr. Earl Dean Owens, are you there? Press *6 to unmute yourself. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus
I'm here,
Dean
Your Honor.
Owens. Good morning to you. Case number SP 178-07081. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens.
Earl Dean Owens.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I'm going to dismiss his case. He owes a lot of civil infractions. I'm going to dismiss this case for providing valid documentation. He has a valid driver's license. If nothing further, Mr. Owens, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right, Mr. Berry.
I'm not sure what Mr. Laws when he's not out there.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Lavelle Devon Edward Leith, case number SP 187-0679, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Lavelle Leith.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. Mr. Leith, put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's, when you see the prompt, join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Tomas. Mr. Lopez Tomas, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Vamos a volver en el acto con el caso del señor López Tomás. Señor López Tomás, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, tengo entendido que este caso va a quedar desestimado.
Yes, Judge, this is a dismissal.
Sí, su señoría, se desestima.
All right, case dismissed. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lopez. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, así que su caso queda desestimado, señor López. Muchísima suerte a usted y que tenga muy buen día.
Muchas gracias, igualmente, buen día.
Thank you so much. You have a pleasant day.
Thank you. You
Gracias.
as well.
Usted
You
también.
want to ask and see if anyone else needs your services, Miss?
Yes, I will, Your Honor. ¿Hay alguien más presente que necesita la ayuda de un intérprete de español?
Okay, Ms. Villarreal, if there's nothing further, if I don't see you, have a very good rest of your day and weekend, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that the other defendant did not show.
Well, we'll be here. We'll be here for a long time today, so.
You feel free to contact me if you need me, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. This is a dismissal on all matters.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Mr. Leggett, I'm going to dismiss your cases per city attorney. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You still have a handful of reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Leggett, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you very much, Judge. I know Mr. Leggett was having a hard time getting his mute to unwork, but I know he's grateful.
Yeah, what
Got it
did he
on
say?
work now.
Yeah, I couldn't hear him.
Yeah, you got it. You got your cases dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You
Ms.
heard
Jenkins.
that.
My pleasure. Take care, sir.
All right.
Terry Everett Larkin. Mr. Terry Everett Larkin, are you there?
Yes.
City of Detroit, good morning to you versus Terry Everett Larkin, case number V13291-825, SP 156-88121, SP 186-73931. Appearance for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Larkin. Mr. Larkin, will you please state your full name for the record?
Terry
Charlie
Everett
Larkin Jr.
All right. No, not John, not Charlie Larkin, Terry Larkin. State your name for the record, Mr. Terry Larkin.
Terry Everett Larkin.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
For the purposes of this matter, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, he's got the double whammy. He's got two $500 fines maximum on the a fine maximum on the dumping, and I fine maximum on the firearms violation if it's discharge of firearm. That's what the allegation is. Mr. Larkin, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Counselor, again, you're back. Mr. Garion.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, you're back. Who else do you have?
I'm waiting for the probation officer and Mr. Smolsky. You wanted the PO to come in because this matter is just prohibitively old.
And I did make a contact with them. I was just waiting for somebody to zoom in for me, but I can double check.
Let's make another contact with them, please.
Old. Thank you.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If you want to zoom back in, if you have some place to get, you can zoom back in. I won't hold you up like that. I know.
I very much appreciate that. I'll be back shortly.
We'll be here. On Mr. Mitchell Green's license, please. Mitchell Green came in yesterday.
You said Mitchell Green. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sergeant Gozik, good morning to you. We do have Oliver is here.
Good morning, Your Honor. I wanted to say that I wrote this ticket about 1.5 years ago. I really don't remember Oliver.
Well, I'll put no recollection. I know he's not going to object to that.
Okay. I just, about it.
All right. 1, 2, 3, no recollection. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Kindly, Your Honor, you do the same.
Already winning, and he hasn't even had to say a word yet.
I'm here.
I know you're winning. You're winning. I'm waiting on an attorney now. Any questions?
I got a question.
Uh-oh, he's about to mess himself up.
Nah, I'm not. I know today is my trial, right?
Yes.
Okay. How can I word this?
Why don't you wait and speak with your attorney?
I spoke to him. I low-key want to get a new attorney, but this is my last case, so I can't. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's not gonna be nothing that's gonna mess me up. I'm just trying to word it respectfully. So, basically today was like basically my last day to get everything situated, right?
Pretty much.
Why was that?
Because we have to move on. We can't hold this stuff. We can't just hold this stuff out and for infinity until perpetuity. So you can get your stuff together. I think we gave you a lot of time to get your stuff together, right?
Yes, y'all have. Y'all gave me, I think, 2 years now. I think this case has been going on for 2 years.
Okay.
But with this course going on for 2 years, within these 2 years, I had a lot going on, So that was I'm not making no excuses because now I got a job.
You are. That's automatically an excuse. Let's get that straight. That's automatically an excuse. Listen. Everybody has a lot going on. Some more, some less, but whatever's going on to that individual is very, very important. I've given you ample time to take care of your business. You have to, in life, you got to prioritize. You have to do what you feel is necessary. And you obviously have done those things because I'm sure you've taken care of other stuff in 2 years. You just haven't taken care of this. Now, the fact that you opened your mouth and you told me I gave you 2 years,
Yes.
I'm not giving you any more time.
Now look though. You gave me 2 years. You gave me 2 years, but the 2 years, right? It wasn't 2 years necessarily to get my license. This case been going on. I couldn't really get my license before because I didn't have the funds. Like you see my case, Judge. Like it's a lot of tickets on there. It's a lot. And they all came at the same time because I had to live in my car. So I racked up a lot of tickets and I never got my car towed because the officers knew like they could see I'm living in my car. So they never gave
What is your current living situation now?
I just moved to my mom in Westland. I'm in Westland.
And why didn't you move to your mom when you were that stuff for those 2 years?
She didn't have. She just got this apartment. She got this apartment in I think April of 2025, but I couldn't come stay with her yet because I had a job. I did have a job. I was working as a CNA, a certified nurse assistant, but I didn't have transportation. Like I couldn't drive from my job to her to Westland back and forth every day without a license, without, you know what I'm saying? So I had to stay where I was at. And I was in the city. And then I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest. I have recently like been charged with a misdemeanor, but it was from before I even took this case. Before this case even was going on, I had did some dumb stuff, gave some people my information. Point is that case was solved just now though. The case just ended this year, which cost me losing my certified nursing assistant job. So the money and the job stuff been going on since I think of what this year. I mean, it canceled me out probably sometime last year, but this year is what made it final, and I've been struggling to find a job to pay these tickets to get my license. But I just, mind you, I was going to tell you later on, but I just got a job at Golden Corral across the street from my mama's house. I'm here right now. You get what I'm saying? And I just paid off 1 ticket. Now it was only 2 tickets suspending my license. It's only 2. All I need is next Friday.
What was the misdemeanor?
The misdemeanor was larceny. So it canceled my whole. I gotta wait 5 years for me to be a nurse again.
You're blaming that on somebody else too.
No, I take full responsibility because I chose the wrong way. I needed money. I needed helping my family out. I couldn't find a way doing it legally. I did something illegal. I gave and it messed me up. It messed me up in the long run. And that was before, and mind you, when I did that, it was before I even knew about this.
Mr. Oliver, when the judge begins speaking, sir, you stop speaking. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Makes you a thief now, Mr. Oliver.
You say what?
That makes you a thief.
No, and mind you, that's why it messed me so much up. People look at that and think I'm a thief. I didn't even partake in the actual crime. That's why it's a larceny. I didn't partake in it. I just knew kind of what was going on. I knew something was fraudulent going on, and I didn't really care at the time. I needed the money, so I just gave them my identity. I didn't know the gist of the situation though. I didn't even know what they was actually doing until it hit the fan, and I'm like, bro, like I was screwed over. I got screwed over. It messed me up, and I shouldn't have trusted them. I shouldn't have tried to go the wrong way with it. I did, and that was before I even knew about the stuff I know about now, which is the nursing.
The only reason I'm giving you this time to talk is because we don't have an attorney ready.
I know.
But you know something. What I talk about on my podcast, and what we talk to the kids at Detroit Science and Art the other day. I mean, beautiful function. They have a spring concert. I'm gonna try to make it 23rd, 24th, or 25th at the Detroit Science and Arts. But we talked about accountability, and accountability comes when you accepted responsibility for what you did, and you're still not fully accepting responsibility to the actions that you took. You indicated to me that you knew that these people were going to do wrong, may not have known exactly what they were going to do, but you knew that they were going to do wrong. And you still partook in that. You still
Yes, I was
partook.
wrong for that. I was wrong for that. I was.
So what it says is accepting accountability is not saying that I didn't, you know, I shouldn't have let them do this and they basically deceived me and things like that. No, you knew that these people were up to no good, and it tells me that you knew that they were going to use your name to do some fraudulent stuff. That's what it tells me. Because you gave them your name.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you, and now you're trying to say that you didn't really know what was going on because you're not accepting accountability. And until you start accepting accountability in life, you're going to see yourself falling and falling and falling and continue to come up short. It was also it was Respect Day. That's what the day was. Respect Day is done. Dr. Calvin Mann has done Respect Day for the last 10 years at Detroit Science and Arts. And respect starts with self-respect. And if you start with self-respect, then you will automatically, I believe, respect others. And you'll respect others' property and you'll respect others' things. This whole using your name and people fraudulently taking people's identities and doing whatever is just getting out of control.
It is. It is.
You know, and people work hard for what they have, and then they got Mr. Oliver gonna take it from them.
I know. And in my defense, Judge, yes.
It's not about your defense now.
No, I know. I'm saying I knew exactly what was going on, and that was over 3 years ago. That was 3 years ago.
Mr. Oliver, listen. Yes. Now you're starting to accept some accountability because now you're telling a different story than what you told me earlier, which is good. You said you didn't know what these guys were going to do too much.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Come on,
I did say
man.
that. You're right.
Man, I'm not about to keep on hearing you. Ms. Harris, are we ready?
Judge, excuse me.
Ms. Robinson, go ahead. I'm sorry, Ms. Robinson.
Good morning,
Attorney
Your Honor.
Robinson.
Good morning, Judge. I have 3 clients this morning. They're all set for trial. Is there any way I can get a roll call for which officers are here?
Who's your client?
I have Miss Antonia Goodwin.
Is she here? Good. Well, let's call it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Miss Attorney Robinson.
No, thank you, Judge. And some of the things you were saying actually really hit home.
City of Detroit versus Antonia Goodwin, case number SP 184-87941, SP 184-89511, SP 184-89881. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, on behalf of Miss Goodwin. Ma'am, please state your name.
Janae Goodwin.
Good morning to you, Miss Goodwin. Both the officers are here or work here. They checked in. Give Miss Goodwin an updated offer. Miss Goodwin, I'm going to put you in breakout room 6. Wait on Miss Robinson to see if she can sort things out for you. And if you don't like the offer she has, today is the date and time set for the trial. I did have Officer Sanders check in. Now, I'll tell you this, Miss, they're not here now. So I don't know if they've spoken with the city attorney, but I did have Officer Sanders and Officer Sexton check in. All right. So I'm gonna go to room 4. See if you can work it out for Miss Goodwin. Miss Goodwin, go to room 6. Miss Robinson will be in there to see you. Okay. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, thank you.
Who else do you have, Miss?
Mr. Willie
Robinson?
Love. Mr. Willie Love.
Mr. Love, he's here, and the officer did check in for Mr. Love. And Mr. Love, I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. Good morning to you. And,
good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Robinson will come in and see you. Officer Maynard did appear, Miss, and.
Yes, sir. No.
All right, and the final one,
Okay.
Mrs. Robinson.
Miss Gamble.
Miss Gamble. I think Miss Gamble did appear. Miss
She's here,
Gamble, are you
Judge.
there? All right, good morning
Yes,
to you.
good
Miss-
morning.
Now you may get lucky on that one there. Miss Gamble.
Great.
Are you there, Miss, okay, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Lakaya Gamble, case number U74325126. I hope I pronounced your name correctly, ma'am. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson. On behalf of Miss Gamble, ma'am, please state your name.
Lakaya Gamble.
All right, Miss Gamble, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Howells here? Officer Howells, let me look on my list. I do not see an Officer Howells. I'm going to dismiss the case on the court's own motion for no officer. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gamble, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And
All right.
and Judge,
All right.
and Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
And to speak to my other two clients, I'm given breakout room access, or will the court be moving me from room to room?
You have it. You have it.
Oh, I do? Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, I have Mr. Gordon.
All right. Did we already call that one?
We did.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You know, Mr. Gordon, he doesn't owe anything that would seemingly affect his license, but not, at least not with 36th District Court. What's the deal if there is one?
Your Honor, the deal would be to dismiss all of the misdemeanor matters, and he would be responsible for the balance of his civil infractions.
Yes, you can't beat that deal, can you, Mr. Gordon?
Oh no. I was for doing my counting and I'm saying, man, whatever helps, I'll be appreciative.
We need the motion.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the cases per the city attorney. And I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay any reinstatement fee, all right?
Awesome. Thank you. How much would that be?
Well, I don't know. You're going to have to wait and you're going to do that calculation yourself. Ms. Mathis has to put it all in the system. So okay. Just give her till tomorrow or this afternoon or tomorrow and see what the balance will be.
All right. How would I be able to do that? Would it be a specific number I call?
You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Mitchell Joseph Daniel Green. Case number SP185-95941, SP185-96831. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name.
Yeah, Mitchell Green.
All right, good morning to you. Date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green does have a valid driver's license. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Mr. Oliver, go join the breakout room in 9, rejoin that room and speak with Mr. Soroki, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're waiting on an attorney.
Mr. Green is going to sue me on my mic.
Say that again. Yes. Okay. Okay, we were talking about the classes. What kind of classes you have with what is chief? What does the chief teach over there?
I'm doing bankruptcy right now.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I was doing like the right.
Law, legal writing?
Yes.
Research and writing?
Yes.
Oh, that's it. I don't like that class too. Bankruptcy. I did some bankruptcies as an attorney.
Did you?
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
I did actually a bankruptcy trial. I did. I lost it, but I mean, the client didn't have much of a. But it was good. It was first time being in front of a trial in front of a bankruptcy judge. That's like big. That's the big with the big leagues with the federal courts.
It's a lot to to have to follow those motions and everything. It's a lot.
That's all. That's the league. That's the name of the game. We're just waiting on an attorney. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes.
Come back on May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of the day, all right?
All right, you too.
Thank you.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Waddell Gladney the fourth. Case number SP 186-39101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gladney.
Hey.
Mr. Glad. He's not even up, huh?
Hold on, my phone is. Can you give me a charger, Missouri?
State your name for the record, please.
Waddell Gladney.
There's date and time set for what's it set for, Mr. Berry?
Arraignment on the bench warrant, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I don't advise to do what Mr. Gladney did. I wouldn't advise, but luckily he paid 3 related civil infractions that did not give him any points on his license. I always say people should go to court because you don't necessarily know what you're paying, but he paid 3 related civil infractions that didn't give him any points. I'm going to dismiss the case, pay 3 related civil infractions. Best of luck to you, Mr. Gladney. This case is dismissed, all right?
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, you too.
Detroit versus Molly Lee, case number SP 186-53901. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Let me just write it out. Tell them to come on in here. Okay. Miss Molly Lee.
Molly Lee.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time that is set for
Pre-trial.
pre-trial. Thank you, Mr. Berry. Ms. Lee, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
In the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mitchell Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He's going to admit responsibility for that civil infraction of blocking traffic with a misdemeanor matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
No stipulated, Your Honor.
State the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
No stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, well, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, sir?
Not my next. I get paid every 2 weeks. I believe
Let's
I
put
get paid. Huh?
Put a date on it. Put a date on it.
So, my next, can I pay it on the 1st of May?
I'll give you until, pay it by May the 11th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Anthony James Lewis, case number SP 897929, counts 1 and counts 2. State and 19-522-534, counts 1 and counts 2. And the state of Michigan versus Anthony James Lewis, case number SX 3655555, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, state your name.
Anthony James Lewis.
The purposes of arraignment. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
Purposes of arraignment, client stands to respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Where's Mr. Lewis?
Right
here. Get up, sir. It's not nap time. All right. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She can attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Mr. Lark. Yes.
I apologize. For Mr. Lewis's cases, can I have the date of the offense?
These are old offenses, allegations. All of them are pretty old. 2018 on one, 2019 on the other, and 2019 on the other.
Thank
you. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkin, Terry Larkin. What does your client want to do, counselor?
Judge, I think I would like to apply him for MIDC counsel.
Very well. All right. Mr. Larkin, I'm going to appoint you an attorney. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of April the 27th at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that, if you hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
I need a valid license. Can you run Mr. Lovett's license, please? All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I have your number. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Verdell Lovett, case number SP 185-17671. Appearance for the record, please.
Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Levitt. Mr. Levitt, will you please state your full name for the record?
Verdell Lovett, Verdell Tino Lovett.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Set for a pretrial. Let's see.
I was just supposed to
say that.
Yeah, I was just supposed to show you that I got my license.
Okay, very good. You owe a old ticket, that failure to stop, 258. I'm going to dismiss this case for providing valid documentation. Congratulations on that. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Congratulations, Mr. Levitt.
Thank you.
You're free to leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. 896-8635. Who is that? 896-8635. Oh, that was somebody that I think they were with, that they're left. Go down to G. This is the City of Detroit versus Zakia G. Case number SP 187-45971. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. May it please the court. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. G. Ms. G, will you please state your full name for the record?
Zakia G.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good
Today
morning.
is date and time set for a pretrial. This is one of those cases that it can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same. Ms. Jenkins will let you know. $240 will be the fine. We'll dismiss upon payment. But if you want a trial date, we'll give it to you. Ms. Jenkins will explain to you.
Okay.
Judge.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right. May the 7th, Ms. Lee, at 9 a.m. All right, May the 7th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Francisco Geraldo.
I can leave now.
You may. Francisco Grodado.
Yes, Your Honor.
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
I don't.
You need to turn your camera on.
You want to try and do that right now? Sorry.
All right, City of Detroit. Good morning again to you. Versus Francisco Grodado. Case number SP 187-529. Strike that. SP 187-5260, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-52611. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guardado.
Francisco Guardado.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for, what's the set for, Mr. Berry?
Pre-trial, Your Honor.
All right, set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Gordado an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gordado, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Soroki, are we ready on Mr. Oliver?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see. Where's Mr. Oliver's file? Never did?
Here it is, right here.
City of Detroit versus Gregory Oliver, case number SP 137789331, SP 1553815, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1600643, SP 1600653, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1611157, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1615087, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1626797, counts 1, 2. SP 1633877, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1640770, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1643013, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1681665, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1699675, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Gregory Oliver Jr., case number SX 4147471. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Gregory Oliver Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Corporate, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Corporal Crawford, badge 775, City Detroit Police Officer.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Officer Gozik was here. He indicated to the court that he had no recollection. So we'll dismiss those cases.
Thank you.
Officer Kelly, are you here? Are you there? Was there an Officer Kelly that showed?
Yes, according to the Miss Horn.
Okay, Officer Kelly appeared.
Nation Mullen, I believe, appeared. He appeared.
I haven't seen Officer Villanueva.
Right.
Officer Mullen appeared. Is he here? Okay, Sir Mullen appeared. I haven't seen Officer BLOHM. I don't believe he's on my list.
Officer Joseph Eason was late, so his 2 tickets are going to be dismissed.
Officer Stewart is here. Is Officer Stewart here now? We'll pull him out the room. And then Officer Dandridge was here. And I haven't seen Officer ALKHAFAJI is either. Have you gotten an offer, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
And just give me the outline of the offer, like what give me how many, if it's failure to displays, how many of those are there going to be?
We have 2 failure to displays, 1 allowing, and 1 improper plate, and the remaining tickets are being dismissed.
Okay. Now, let me ask you this, Mr. Oliver. You've said all of what you said off the record. We had that conversation. And how far are you away from getting a driver's license now at this point?
One check.
What do you mean one check?
I started today. I'm at my job right now. It's my first day. I think you got to work a week and a half. I'm supposed to be getting paid Friday, but since I started this week, I don't think I'll get paid next Friday. I think I'll get paid the Friday after next. But I think I'll be able to. I don't want to sit here and guarantee next Friday. I know I can guarantee the Friday after next. Next Friday will just be me asking my mama for the rest of the funds.
And do you what do you have to do?
I just got paid 2 tickets. I already paid one off. It was 3 in total. It's 2 tickets suspending my license right now. It's one with you guys. I got 150 to put on that today, and then I gotta pay Westland off, which is 280. It's 1 ticket for 280. Plus, yeah, that's it.
Which one of the officers caught you in your predicament of homelessness, living in your car?
I'm pretty sure a lot of them. The one here today, I don't know if he seen me or not.
Does anybody know of Mr. Did anybody of the officers that we checked in catch Mr. Oliver in that predicament? Or at least that's what he told you when he got pulled over in the officers? All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna allow you to pay this reinstatement fee. I hope you got something out of the accountability talk conversation that we had.
I want to know. You said you spoke about somebody hosting. He do like some type of classes, or he speak. He been doing it for 10 years. You said.
Yeah, Mr. Dr. Calvin, man, I can definitely put you in touch with him. He does the podcast with me. You may be benefit to meeting Mr. From the farm program. You may be a good candidate for that, because I find that you are for the most part you're forthright. I think that you're sort of embarrassed to say what you did, and that's why you kind of did not fully accept the responsibility. But at the end of the day, I'm still going to see if I can help you, but you're going to have to help yourself. Okay. I'm going to save you. You're going to have to pay this $288 off, but what I'm going to allow you to do is I'm going to allow you to pay the first $45 reinstatement fee up front. What that's going to do is that's going to give you clearances here. That's that one ticket that they're talking about down here. That should give you enough money to pay Westland. Why I'm letting you pay Westland off and not pay us off, I don't know. But I think if you're working, you're going to hopefully, you're going to start to be more responsible, and you're going to do what you said you're going to do and come through and fulfill that. I don't see any other outside of this open alcohol and this marijuana case, which are old. I really don't see any tickets that kind of show that you were anything but in a bad situation. So when can you bring this $45 down to the court? There's no way I can bring that.
What's in the afternoons? What's the latest? 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock?
4:30. What time is the 1:30? 4:30.
45. I can do that. I can do that Tuesday.
All right, Tuesday. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go to the Secretary of State and I'm gonna leave this offer open. 2 failure to displays, 1 allowing, 1 improper plate. Come back on a pretrial date. Last time, no excuses.
Thank you.
April the 27th at 8:30. All right.
Thank you.
All right. I wish you the best of luck.
You said come up to the 45 for the 45 on Tuesday. What about that the guy you was talking about?
I'll get you that information when you come back. We're gonna see if you because I don't want you to waste my time. I certainly don't want you to waste his.
Okay.
So we'll time he'll be there.
Okay.
All right, you got to come down to the window and pay the 45. Once you pay the 45 and once you pay Westland, go to the Secretary of State. Hopefully that's done before you come back on April the 27th. Well, it's going to have to be done before that because I'm not giving you any more time.
Thank you.
And bring that valid driver's license in, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day and congratulations on your job.
Thank you.
Have a good day, everyone. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Alan.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll see you. You have anybody else, Attorney Soroki?
No, I do not. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Be safe. All right. Who are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gradado. Mr. Gradado, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gradado?
Yes, sir.
Come back on May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Your Honor, it's Attorney
Lopez-
Aaron. I apologize.
Yes.
We're ready on Osmolsky.
Okay, let me get it. Is attorney, is Lopez Gary, is Lopez Chavez there? Lopez Chavez?
Hello.
Good morning to you, sir.
Mr. Chavez, remove your hood, please.
Where's Lopez Chavez on the docket?
35, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Very's got it all together. All right. Thank you, Mr. Berry. This is the City of Detroit versus Rivaldo Lopez Chavez, case number SP 187-2657, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez Chavez.
Rivaldo Lopez Chavez.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time, and is set for a pretrial. Oh, he's got another one on here. SP 187-2657, count 3. That's coming up a little bit under Lopez / Chavez Rivaldo. We'll need to correct that. Mr. Berry, get Mr. Chavez an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Chavez. Pass the matter. Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Osmolsky. Mr. Osmolsky, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. And Ms. Green, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
That's Lisa Green, probation officer for the probation department.
All right. Let's see, you, so I push for confirmation.
Opportunity to speak. What's going on with this?
Well, this case, as counsel pointed out to me, was originally closed in 2019 without improvement due to the nature of the length of time of this case that originated in 2006. My recommendation is that this case be closed once again without improvement. He does plan to pay the $245 balance that is on the register of action at the close of business today. And then we will ask that the case be closed without improvement. Failure to comply with the conditions.
Counsel, I'll allow you to speak.
Thank you. There are smart counsels who say things and there are smarter ones who don't. And I'm not going to say anything.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and adopt the recommendation. You know what? Had he done anything except? Had he done anything?
No, Your Honor. At the time of the case origination, we weren't taking notes here in the probation department, so there are no notes indicating any compliance to any conditions, Your Honor.
So were there any conditions listed?
Oh, yes, there was a whole host of conditions listed. Third negative
But,
marijuana.
Intensive inpatient treatment, sir. Tell me that what's going on with you now?
Yeah, and he's been behaving himself.
So these are instant tests. So,
I'm sorry. There are people that are talking.
That's her background noise. Did you go to intensive inpatient treatment?
Mr. Osmowski?
I wasn't ordered to for this case, I don't believe, sir.
Yes, you were. They said you were in intensive inpatient.
I was in a Salvation Army treatment facility, yes.
You were.
The unusual thing, though, Your Honors, is this file was in fact closed back February the 1st of 2019. Judge Knapp signed a probation closure order, of which was filed and then closed without improvement. So quite honestly, I'm not sure how it all got back to an arrest warrant for probation violation after it was closed already almost 8 years ago or 7 years ago. So I think that upon the payment of the $245 that he owes, and to my knowledge, he hasn't picked up any new charges in the meantime. He came into my office to get his driver's license reinstated, and that's how this all came to fruition.
All right. All right, I will follow the recommendation of the city attorney. Strike that of the probation department, simply because the case is over 20 years old or almost 20 years old, that it was apparently closed out already by another judge without improvement, and upon payment of balance at close of business day, will close out without improvement. All right, sir. And the fact, the more pertinent fact is that he hasn't picked up any other cases like this and since then. All right, I wish you the best of luck. You owe the, what is it, $245. If you pay it, we'll close it out without improvement. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you both. Good to see you, counsel.
Your Honor, pleasure as always. And once again, from a personal standpoint, I appreciate how you run your courtroom. It makes a real difference in our lives and how we can practice. And I really do appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, for the adopting the recommendation. Take care.
You as well. Mr. Osmowski, best of luck to you. You're free to leave.
Thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Ms. G, you want a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Come back on the April the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck.
Wait. You said April 7th?
I'm sorry, May the 7th. May the 7th. You can't come back at April 7th.
Okay, May 7th.
7th. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Tyron Gates. Mr. Gates?
Yes.
City of Detroit, good morning to you. Case versus Tyron Gates, case number SP-124-1721, SP-187-1247, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Anna Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, your name for the record, please.
Good morning to you, Mr. Gates. Today is the date and time set for a What is show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor?
Stand mute, ask that the order to show cause be set aside.
Now, enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gates, I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Gates to be heard on this failure to disregarding a red signal. That was in default. If the city has no objection to it, you can add that to that. Mr. Gates, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the absolute right to a trial. All right?
Thank
You
you.
see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Check the status of his license. I believe he has a permit.
Run his license, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Chavez. Mr. Lopez Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to park, being in the park when closed on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, the other matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I do.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
By taking a deal, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February the 28th, 2026, around 10:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lanyo and St. Jean. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What's over there?
Just the park.
All right, that's a city park?
Yeah.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to being in the park after close. He indicated he was there at 10:58. The park's closed at 10 o'clock. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240. You pay it by July 9th. Don't get any other trouble like this, and we'll dismiss the case. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Do you have the Gaines file?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yeah. Anthony Gaines. One case. Oh, I have that.
Yes, sir.
I have that one. All right. Greenwood. Give me Greenwood. City of Detroit.
Christopher Greenwood.
Yeah, I don't know why he's okay. City of Detroit versus Christopher Greenwood, Mr. Berry. Case number is SP 1867770, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1878453, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greenwood.
Christopher Greenwood.
Okay, good morning to you. He has a show cause, and he has another show cause for the other misdemeanor that I call. I'll give you a list. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give you a $0 bond, Mr. Greenwood. And Mr. Berry, your ink pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Not including the one that I would call on the docket. He has an expired plate that went along with that. Then he has a no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate, and a no valid registration. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases into the record. Mr. Greenwood, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Lewis. Gaines. We need Anthony Gaines. Anthony Gaines. Let's go back on the record with Mr. and run his license, please.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis has a valid driver's license.
Thank you, Your Honor. With regards to the remaining matters, or all of the matters, we are asking for a trial date. We can dismiss the licensing matters, that's great. If not, we can resolve it all on trial date.
Well, I'll dismiss the licensing matters. I mean, it doesn't really matter because the cases are gonna come, these are 2019 cases. They just indicated to the court that they dismissed in 2000, this is 2018, 19 cases. The city wants to proceed with
the offer we received. It was for improper plate. My advice is to set it for trial.
No, what I'm trying to say is they just dismissed a handful of 2018 cases. The gentleman had a valid license and sort of similarly situated for this. Can you go back and speak to Ms. Horn?
Okay.
She just agreed to dismiss his cases. All right, let's pass it.
Can ask her again.
All right. What about a Goodwin? Is Goodwin ready? Robinson, we're waiting on Ms. Horn. What are we gonna do with are we ready on Greenwood?
Ready, Your Honor.
Back on the record with Mr. Greenwood. Mr. Greenwood, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
I don't know. I must have deja vu, Mr. Greenwood, because it seems like we've done this before. I need some more trial dates, Ms. Melton.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a trial date of May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, May the 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
Call Ms. Horn, please. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Tyrone Gaines, case number SP1501608. SP1595368 SP1595383 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1803108 counts 1 and counts 2. SP1803126 1. SP1868123 counts 1 and counts 2. SP1869558 SP1869568 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1874074 counts 1 and counts 2. SP1876279 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaines.
Anthony Tyrone Gaines.
Good morning,
Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Waive the reading of the information, stand mute.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
One matter on the docket.
Because the other matters are arraignments for the 14th, we're going to treat it like a one-stop shop, sir, and get all of these consolidated, all right?
I appreciate that, sir. I was going to ask that question because I have court dates with you on the 13th and the 14th. I just looked at the papers and see that your name were on all of them.
Okay, all right. You ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your
Honor. Driver license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper plate. unregistered, untitled. Drove while license suspended. On the civil infractions, I wouldn't have an issue with allowing him to be heard if the city has no objection to setting aside the default. That's 11 to 15 over. No insurance proof. Driving while license suspended. Driving while license suspended. No insurance proof. Driving while license suspended. Expired plate, civil infraction. No valid registration, civil infraction. False proof of insurance, misdemeanor. 1 to 5 over the speed limit. 16 to 20 over the speed limit. And driving while license suspended. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee on the no proof of insurance, $45. He'd have to bring that down to the court. That would get him clearances here at the 36th District Court. Mr. Gaines, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer.
Can I say one thing before I do that also? Because I do have insurance and I have registration for the car that I was driving.
Speak to Mr. Barry. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Speak to Mr. Barry about that and join the room when you see the prompt.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll pass the matter. Ms. Robbins, are we ready on Goodwin?
Judge, I had a motion to dismiss, but I think the prosecutor need to be present.
Very well. Get Ms. Horn in here, please. Thank you. Greenwood, you're back. Wait a minute. Take your hood off, sir. Didn't we just do Greenwood?
You're muted, Mr. Greenwood. Unmute yourself.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm back. Yeah, I did. You dismissed a couple of my cases, I think last week or maybe the week before that. But then, so I had another hearing that they didn't tell me got canceled, but I just happened to call like 2 days ago and they told me that I was due in your courtroom today, back in your courtroom today.
So somebody just came in and told me they were Christopher Greenwood. So something's going on.
Or I don't know, maybe it was a different Christopher. Maybe I was, I'm not sure.
What's your date of birth?
July 10th, 1989.
That's a different Greenwood?
Yeah, this is Christopher Matthew Greenwood. He's born in 91.
What's your middle name?
I don't have a middle name.
Greenwood. Are you Christopher Greenwood?
Yes. So, right, maybe the other judge or the other guy from the other day meant Christopher Matthew Greenwood and not me. I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. And what is your, do you have a case number?
Nope.
You're born in what year?
1989.
I don't have anything open for you.
Okay. All right.
I don't have any.
What's his driver's license?
Here it is. You ready?
Huh? Oh,
driver's license?
No, I don't need. I was trying to make a difference to something.
This one, you put it up on the bottom of the screen. No, he's not the Greenwood that's on the document. That's strange.
Years.
That's strange.
Let me focus.
All right, you might want to try this, Mr. Mathis, because it's at the bottom of that screen, and when they come to the bottom of that screen, it doesn't pull up the right one.
Okay, you have to pull it from the top.
I don't know how to do that.
What you mean, when you're doing a driver's license?
No, you want to run his license to make sure he doesn't have anything?
Okay, here's the list. What we doing? Let me.
89 is his birthday.
Yeah, I mean, usually when I call in, you keep telling me that my wife has a case that she needs to come see you about.
What's her name? Has she seen me? Has she said she come to see me?
I don't think she has. Kristen Greenwood, Christen.
So your birthday is July the 10th, 89?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't see anything?
I'm just, what to do is just,
Name is Chris too?
Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
Your wife name is Chris too?
Kristen, yes.
Kristen, man, there's a lot of Chris Greenwoods out there, isn't it?
All right, yeah.
Kristen Sierra Greenwood. She's
Yes,
still on the lam.
no, they don't have, it's nothing for Mr. Christopher.
There's nothing for you. She has an unregistered, untitled warrant out for her arrest.
They might have thought he was Matthew.
Maybe that'll get her in.
Well, I'll let her discuss that because I know she paid some. She has some license reinstatement things that she had
Come in here
to
and
deal
see
with
me.
the tickets.
She's got to come in here.
Okay.
All right. Be safe.
All right. Thank you.
Ms. Robinson, in breakout room 4.
Yes, Judge.
Did you get John A. Lewis's file, Ms. Mathis?
Johnny Lewis.
John A. Lewis.
Hey.
You can run her license, please.
Chris Greenwood.
License is bad.
All right. She's got some other stuff. Garcia Aussie was here. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. Anybody ready?
Ready as to
Sides
Mr.
off.
Ready as to
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead.
Gaines, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. I need some more trial dates, Ms. Mathis.
Just laying up there for you.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
May the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Do you know Mr. Gaines?
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, Your Honor? It was breaking up a little bit. My connection is bad.
May the 8th is 2026 at 9 a.m.
I was wondering, could I have a date further out than that?
Why is that?
Just to make sure that I can have everything in order and make sure I'm not coming to you with any excuses or anything like that.
What do you have any other jurisdiction to go to? Oh, look what we got here. A living legend there.
Just wanted to stop it and say hi.
How you doing?
Doing well.
It's good to see you. All right.
Good morning, Counsel.
How you doing?
What do you have to do? You come down, you have $45, don't you?
Yes, sir. I have $45.
Have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
Well, recently I was pulled over in Oak Park, and that's when I found out my license was suspended. I had a home fire last year sometime, and I had to change address, and I was currently didn't have anywhere to stay or wasn't able to receive my mail, and I would have to go to the post office to pick my mail up, and I received a lot of mail late, and that's the reason why I missed a lot of court dates.
So there's the only other ticket that you know of out of Oak Park? You
Yes,
don't
sir.
have any other tickets in other jurisdictions?
No, not that I'm aware of. I went to the Secretary of State like Oak Park told me to, and they did a printout of my license at the Secretary of State. And Secretary of State, the same day I was pulled over, which was last week sometime, that's when they let me know, well, I was taken to jail in Oak Park, and I have to go to a court date in Oak Park. But that same day when I was released from jail, I went to 36th District, and that's when they cleared up all of my bench warrants and stuff from missed court dates that I had.
So you've done most of the work, sir. You've done most of the work. You went to Secretary of State, and Secretary of State was saying the only thing that's affecting your license is what you got going on down here, right?
Yes, but I had something in the mail that was saying that my license may be suspended until sometime in May. So I just didn't want to come into you in court and not have a valid driver's license. I don't have the mail with me right now. It's at home, and I will be able to look at that mail to know the exact date that my suspension will be lifted or going through.
All right, come back on May 29th.
Okay, sir.
Come back on May 29th. It sounds like you need to come down here and pay that $45.
I'll be down there. I'll be down there today to pay that $45.
And then go back to the Secretary of State and see what they tell you after you pay that $45. May 29th trial at 9 a.m.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Best of luck to you, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, John. Have a good one.
Good. All right.
And another quick question: how do I go online and be able to look at your podcast?
Oh, podcast. Let's Talk Legal at YouTube. YouTube. Let's Talk Legal. A new one drops every Tuesday. Every Tuesday at 7:00. All right.
All right. Thanks a lot. I'll be tuning in.
You can follow me on Judge Perkins 313 Instagram and TikTok. Judge Perkins.
Okay, and also I have a family restaurant. If you're able to make it there, we're on Livernois between Curtis and 7 Mile.
All right, so you got a plug there. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Bink's Grill, but I'm switching the name over into the Crispy Roll, which you see behind me.
I love that restaurant. I love your egg rolls. Sorry.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Now you got some confirmation that you got a good product there. The grill. You couldn't help that, could you, Miss Jenkins? You know what I'm saying? That just came out, didn't it?
It did. I'm sorry.
All right, so the grill, the Bink's Grill in Curtis and 7 Mile.
No, it's on 7 Mile, but it's between Curtis and 7 Mile.
Curtis and 7 Mile.
Yep, we're across the street from the locker room.
Right there at Hampton Elementary and Junior High, right back behind there.
Yep.
So, okay, I'm gonna come check you out.
We're connected to the old, it used to be a credit union service center. I'm connected to that building.
Yeah,
all right, I'm gonna come check you out, all right?
I appreciate it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you, and I also check out your podcast.
All right, best of luck to you. I'll see you back on the 29th. Well, I'll see you before the 29th. All right, how about that?
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
All right. You're welcome. City of Detroit versus John A. Leslie Lewis. Case number SP137956. Counts 2. SP1857899. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
To speak.
Johnny.
I'm sorry, it's Janae Lewis.
Janae Lewis, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
I probably could have let you go a long time ago.
I'm patient.
Officer Rogers, or an Officer Leonard? Officer Rogers or Officer Leonard? I do not see any of those officers on my list. Ms. Lewis, I'm going to dismiss your case on the court's own motion for no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
All right. And thank you for being patient. All right. Long, Serena Long.
He said he tried to zoom in and something happened. He just wanted to know if his person's here.
I don't know. Let's see. I'll tell you in a second. City of Detroit versus Serena Lenice Long, case number SP 127-34571, SP 176-57391, SP 182-8429, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Long.
Miss Anjane, good one. You gotta get up. It's not nap time.
Check the breakout room to see if she's in there. I don't see it.
Miss Goodwin. Miss Long, is
Yeah.
Miss Long there? Sit up, ma'am. Unmute yourself, Miss Long. Start your camera. State your name, please. Miss Long, unmute yourself, please. State your name for the record.
Everything's put away for just a second. Do you need anything?
Let me get some files.
Okay.
All right, Miss Long is not responding. I think she's moving around. Mr. Barron, put Miss Long in the breakout room. She never paid the reinstatement fees I allowed her to do. Join the room, get her enough. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll pass the matter. All right, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Who else do we have? I think we did Jesse Lee already, didn't we? Adonis Green. All right. Who are we ready on? Go ahead. I'm just gonna print
Yeah, you
this
did
one.
just here, right? I'm in here right now.
Judge, I'm ready on Mr. Gates.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a appointed attorney.
Yes, please, Judge.
All right, is that what you want, Mr. Gates? Where is he? Mr. Gates?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you an appointed attorney. I need you to answer the call. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of April the 27th, at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay?
You said April the 27th at what time?
At 8:30.
Okay.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right,
Excuse me, Judge. Sorry to interrupt. Goodwin is ready, and I'm only interrupting because she has a job orientation. Prosecutor is moving to dismiss all counts.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Brian Andy Garcia, case number SP 186-45191. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, hello, Brian Garcia.
Miss Jenkins.
Tana Jenkins, sir, will you please state your name for the record?
Yeah, Brian Andy Garcia.
Thank you.
Officer Ozzie did appear. He's not here now. Get Mr. Jenkins an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Jenkins, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Goodwin. Miss Goodwin, the city is not proceeding on these cases.
That is correct, Judge.
That was set for trial?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the cases per city attorney. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day and good luck on the job. Don't lay down
Thank
on
you.
the job, all right?
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, who else do you have, Miss, you have Love?
Love may go to trial. I'm gonna swing and talk with him one more time to see if we're going to trial, Judge. There's an improved offer.
Who's on Lewis? That was Miss Jenkins had, Mr. You can go ahead, Miss Robinson. Who had Mr. Lewis? Anthony Lewis.
I did. It's a dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Lewis. It's a dismissals. All right, dismiss per age of the ticket, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're still going to have to pay reinstatement fees, and you owe some old civil infractions that were related to some of these cases, all right? You're going to have to pay those. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Do I come down there and pay the reinstatement fee?
Yeah, all of it you can pay at the 36th District Court.
And does this affect my license? Because I just went and got it all cleared up. And
all of that stuff all of that stuff is gone. It's none of that stuff is affecting your license. As a matter of fact, even if there were some points on there, those would have been gone as well too.
Okay, thank you.
Be safe. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. Miss Harris, do you have someone, Miss Harris?
I do not.
All right, Miss Harris, let's go with, is Lamont Green here? He's still humming and singing? Mr. Green, you can unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you. He's the City of Detroit versus Lamont Green, case number SP 1872834, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Green. Press *6 to unmute yourself. Lamont Charu Green. Press *6 to unmute. He probably put himself to sleep. Yeah, he probably put himself to sleep. All right, let's pass it.
He's there, Your Honor. He has his hand raised also.
He's not unmuting himself, so we got to keep on moving because Mr. Adonis Green wants to get out of here. Is Mr. Adonis? Oh, he came in quickly. He turned his camera. All right, City of Detroit versus Adonis Jarrell Green Sr. Case number SP 99-17701, SP 160206061.
He didn't even know.
SP 177.
You can just respect the
Got two noise, Mr. Gray. You got SP 1822200, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182222021. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name.
Adonis Jerry Green Sr.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter.
Just so you know, Mr. Lamont Green, his audio is connected to a phone because I see his name next to a phone number. That might be why he can't connect.
No, he was on already. We spoke to him. He's been humming and singing and all that. I had to mute him because of that. Oh, there's Lamont Green.
Yeah,
he's connected to the
different. It's both.
I see. I'm gonna remove him from that phone. That's what it is. Can you talk now, sir?
Hello.
There it is. All right, we'll get you out of here soon.
I've been screaming and screaming. Sorry, but no, if it was my fault.
Barry, let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Mr. Barry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Long. Ms. Long, what does your client want to do, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Trial. You want May the 8th at 9 a.m. May the 8th at 9 a.m. It's still in the computer, ma'am. You can pay the reinstatement fee up front. Where is she? She's muted too.
Ms. Gresham?
No, Long. It's still in the computer. You can pay that reinstatement fee and potentially set yourself up to bring a valid license in. I told you that last time.
Yes, Your Honor, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that allowed you to come down here and pay the, I think it's at least two reinstatement fees. That would get you clearances here. If you still do that before, do that ASAP, that's $90.
Can I do it by next Friday?
The sooner you do it, the better.
Okay.
The sooner you do it, the better. And then after that, go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license. Come back on May the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. Too. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go. Let's call the City of Detroit, Barry versus Lamont Green. Case number SP 187-2834, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Green.
Lamont Green.
All right. Today is the date and time set for I think it's set for a pre-trial. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Wait a minute. I'm waiting on the attorney to come out. That's it, all day. Same tune.
I just have one question.
What's the question?
I mean, I have to take advantage of this opportunity. I was three things with it. Put one on my wall, I'm gonna show my daughter, and put it on my.
Goodness, I don't know how that's so legendary, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? All right, who are we ready on? Miss Jenkins, are you ready on Garcia?
Yes, Judge, we're ready on Garcia.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. This is a dismissal.
Yes.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss per city attorney. Mr. Garcia, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus John Harold Gaines. Case number SP 187-2692, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jenkins.
Wait a minute. No, this is Myers. Attorney Myers was in here much earlier today. And I don't know where he went. He never came back. Officer Haynes did appear. We're going to pass that matter and let Attorney Myers come back in. You need to call your attorney, Mr. Gaines. Unless he's one of those ones. Let's see. All right, so move on down. Mr. John Gaines, or is that, did I write that down because of attorney? Okay, let's keep on moving. Joanne Gresham.
Judge?
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I don't see a Mr. Gaines in the Zoom.
Yeah, that I wrote that down because the attorney was here, and that's why I wrote that down. The Gaines probably is not going to appear because it's a civil infraction, and he had an attorney, but he hasn't come back yet. City of Detroit versus Joanne Gresham, case number SP 1842811, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gresham. Ms. Gresham, your name for the record?
Joanne Gresham.
Thank
Good
you.
morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a
Trial.
You say what, Mr.?
It looks like she's here for trial with Officer Pearson. Did he appear?
He did appear.
He did appear?
Did appear. Get Miss Green an updated offer. He's not, I don't think he's here now, so, but get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Miss Gaines, let us know what you want to do.
Wait, are we okay, so Ms. Gresham, it looks like somebody already put a note there for Ms. Gresham, actually.
All right, join the room and find out what's going on.
Okay, do we know if her license is valid?
I do not know.
Right now.
I don't even know if we're gonna move, because I don't know with the officer, or whether the officer has spoken with anybody or not.
It's not valid.
It's not valid.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green, Adonis Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. And Mr. Green, please take that time to visit the Secretary of State.
All right. That's what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
Trial is May the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. May 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Do the same. Appreciate you, Judge.
Thank you, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Charlie Larkins Jr., case number SP 187-3088, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 187-31431. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Larkins, please state your name for the record.
Charlie Larkin, you got to unmute yourself, sir. Corporal Spidell, you're free to leave. Goldman never appeared.
Okay,
Mr.
thank
Larkins, be safe. Mr. Larkins, unmute yourself, please. You have to unmute yourself. You did it earlier. Same thing. I'm sending you that prompt to unmute yourself. There we go.
Okay, Charlie Larkin Jr.
All right. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. Larkins. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, see the prompt, join that room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green, Mr. Lamont Green. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Correct.
All right, I'm going to give you a trial date of May the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You do the same. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Amy Lineberg. That's the name I'm familiar with.
Yes.
I'm not, haven't you been here before?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Annie Lineberger. This is the city of Detroit versus Annie Erica Lineberger.
Yes.
Coming up. Case numbers SP 1350447, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1435971, SP 1446491, SP 1643834 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1654653 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1682118 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1759103 1. SP 1759101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Linebarger.
You there, ma'am? Amy Lineberger? Oh, she dropped off.
She's back.
State your name for the.
Amy Linebarger. I apologize. My phone kicked me out.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for what, Mr. Berry?
Arraignment on the bench warrant, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Or a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lineberger, I'm put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Autumn Gillum.
All right, why are you so late, ma'am?
To be honest, I woke up late.
Good morning to you. Top of the morning. All right. On the telephone, 31781-8280. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Shelfonte Glenn.
And why are you so late?
Well, actually, I've been on here, but I didn't know, because I was on Zoom first, but I didn't know if I was supposed to have the same Zoom number. So I end up leaving and calling 36, asking them, because it was resumed. My court date was Tuesday, but I got resumed for today. So I wasn't sure, because it took so long for me to get in the room. So my apologies.
I don't even know what all that was. All right, good morning to you. I don't even know. Officer Corporal Hill, you had Goldman is gone. He never appeared. Be safe.
Thank you. Okay, thank
See you soon. All right, we're waiting on an attorney. We're getting down to the end. You want to get the picture now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I couldn't let this pass. I had to. Gotcha. Mr. Red.
You want me to come down there?
No, sir.
Or you want to come up here?
Yes, sir. Oh, God. He's a legend. I follow him.
I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you, Your Honor.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Now do me a favor. Step back and get the nameplate in there too. Make it right.
That is a good one.
Thank you for following me. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
You have a good day.
You as well. All right. Absolutely, absolutely. I really appreciate y'all. I hope I didn't bore y'all to death.
No, sir. By the time I get to the parking lot, I'll be following your parking lot.
Okay, and then Instagram Judge Perkins 313. Follow me on that. That'll be that's what's up. It looked pretty daunting when we got in here. We had a lot of people, but we worked it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you in class, guys. Thank you. We'll see you. When does the whatchamacallit start?
Summer. End of May.
End of May. When does the application process start?
All they have to do is submit the resume.
It doesn't make sure.
Somebody asked me. All right.
Make sure it's,
Can it be high school? I mean,
I'm trying not to do high school for the summer.
for the summer.
Remember some is long.
Okay.
I took one and, so just kind of. We
Okay.
prefer the high school, colleges and universities.
Got you. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.
All right, guys, take it easy. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkins. Mr. Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding he's going to enter a guilty plea to failing to display a valid license with the remaining matters dismissed.
That's what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
Do you plan on driving anymore?
Red 9, I've been trying to get some license. I got too old now, but I guess
Do you plan on driving anymore?
No, not really.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth,
Okay.
nothing but?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Oh, I thought you just pay a fine. No, I didn't know no 93 days in jail.
You didn't know that was 93-day misdemeanor, did you?
No, I did not.
Well,
you
I'm
don't remember
asking
me
you-
going over your rights, Mr. Larkins, where I told you that, but then I answered your question and told you how much the judge would probably charge you?
Oh, I remember you telling me how much you would charge, man.
That's all he wanted to
Okay,
hear. He didn't want to hear nothing about the 93 days.
Well, you right.
That's what he wanted to hear.
You're right.
But I'm just asking you, do you know that's the maximum possible penalty for that offense?
No, I did not know that. Okay.
Do you know it
I
now?
heard her say something like that. Okay.
Do you know it? Do you understand that now?
Yeah, I understand that now.
All right. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
You understand that?
I have a right to a trial.
Okay. And do you understand? Miss Harris went over some other rights with you, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And did you understand all those? Did you understand all those other rights?
Okay. Like, yes.
We don't have. Did you understood all the other rights? Didn't you?
Yes, yes, sir.
And did you have any questions about those rights?
No.
And you know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up. Do you understand that?
Yes, I know that.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
For some reason, I got the feeling that I'm going to see Mr. Larkins driving again. I just had that feeling.
Well, I've been trying to get some license, but I don't know why they saying that I can't get none. I don't understand it. I just figured that it was because of my age. I guess I don't know.
Well, I don't know if it's because your age or because your driving record, because you don't follow the rules. If you take this deal, it's going to push you back even more.
Just for the record,
so if I take
I advise
deal,
that
they're gonna
Your
set me
Honor.
back. Okay, then I'll go to court.
What's he want to do? Go back in the breakout room and speak to him again. See what he wants to do.
I advised and told him he should set it for trial. He wanted to get it over with. I believe now he indicates he would like a trial date.
Yep, I would like a trial date.
All right, trial date is going to be May the 8th. May the 8th at 9 a.m. You don't have anything to lose. May the 8th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Go try to get your license before you come back. See what they say.
Okay.
Best of luck to you and good luck to you. Hopefully you can get the license.
Okay then. Thank you.
All right. Johnny Gaines. Is Johnny Gaines back? He didn't, and an attorney never showed back up. Mr. Edward Little was super late as well.
Shit.
All right, hi. We still hear you, Mr. Larkins.
Oh, sorry. Let me turn the thing off.
I'll put you out. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Edward Little. Case number SP 184-39042. Mr. Little, state your name for the record, please.
Edward Panama Little Jr.
All right, good morning to you. You never paid.
Good morning.
Well, where's the money?
Yeah, I need a little bit more time, Judge. I was trying to get my license reinstated, but they didn't do it on Good Friday, so I just need a little bit more time because I'm gonna do it.
Put a date on it, Mr. Little.
End of May?
No. May the 11th. All right.
That sounds good.
Be safe.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
All right. City of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Autumn Gilliam. Case number U63025422. Appearance for the record, please.
I won't even turn off.
Erica Harris. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Go right ahead, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gilliam, please state your name.
Autumn Gillum.
Gilliam, I apologize.
Give Ms. Gilliam, I'll enter not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Give Ms. Gilliam an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. She's in the room, Ms. Harris, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Linebarger. Ms. Linebarger, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date. And we need to get beyond May
My
the
bad, I
12th,
had joined the breakout room.
Join it.
Oh, okay.
Rejoin. Ms. Harris is waiting on you. All right. Do you want a trial date, Linebarger?
Yes, sir.
Beyond May 12th, if possible, Your Honor.
I don't see anything affecting her ability to get a license here. I'll give you a trial date of May 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further now, May 29th,
Yes.
2026.
Yes,
If it's
Judge.
nothing
I'm working with 37 district court right now, and then once I'm cleared up with that, when I see you on the next court date, I'll have my license.
Best of luck. I hope you can get it done. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Let's get Mr. Barry. You always catch the short straw on these. We got Mr. Gerald Laws here. Finally come back.
Oh,
Lock you up. Yeah, if you keep on this up.
No, I ain't messing up no more.
You keep on. This case is, you know how much work this is? Just putting all these cases into the system is for Miss Mathis. Mr. Barry's got to go over all these cases and
This is it.
it's gonna be it. Cause we can get these closed out pretty quick. You know that'll take about 30 to 90 days. You know why? Because they'll put you in Wayne County Jail, and it will close it out once you get out. Let's call it. This is. I tried to help you back in the day. City of Detroit versus Gerald Laws, case number SP 1007397, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1018601, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1018621-1. SP 1056547, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1056548, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182597, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1082706, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1092651. SP 1099576, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1118575, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1173765, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1208734, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1228358, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1257531, counts 1. SP 1258906, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1262889, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1271837, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1271849, counts 1. SP 1274290, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1281981, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1331492, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1429581, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 143125991, SP 1449333, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 144933341. SP 1453178, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1503251. SP 1591334, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1596628. SP 1642874, count 1. SP 1729155, counts 1, 2. SP 1729163, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 994139, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Gerald Laws, case number SX 3725095, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laws.
Gerald Laws.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give a $0 bond. Listen, the gentleman come in today, you heard him. They took him to jail for not even for a couple of tickets. Right. And you're sitting up here, you have 50, 60 some odd tickets, at least. and you're missing court dates. I tried to work with you, what was this, a couple of years ago when you came in. I'm not gonna keep on doing this. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
This is ridiculous. Now you need to get yourself together, or I'm gonna help you at least get you together for some time, whatever time that is. All right?
Yes, sir.
Rejoin on the phone, wait on Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, speak with him and see how you guys are gonna go about this. All right?
Okay.
I'm gonna pass the matter. He's gonna join on the phone, Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You got everybody working overtime just on you, just period.
3% on my phone.
Huh?
My phone about you guys, 3%.
You should have charged it up. You've been sitting here.
My day would allow me to find a charger, and I took it across the street and put it in the garbage. I could go get it.
Let them use my phone.
What type of charger?
What kind of charger do you have?
Regular charger.
What's a regular charger?
iPhone?
What kind of phone is it?
That's Android.
Android.
Can you hook him up, Mrs.?
Don't you have a charger?
No, he doesn't have. He's
He
got
has the
Android.
too.
He has an Android, I have an iPhone.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
But I think
Go
they're
ahead.
the same way.
Go
Let
ahead.
me look at it, I'll see.
Yeah. All right, let's pass the matter. Ms. Robinson, are we ready on Love?
Yes, Judge.
All right, what's gonna go on with Love?
Prosecutors dismissing.
All right, bring Mr. Love on out.
All right.
I'll try to. Let's go back on the record. And you'll be in the room. He's in there, Mr. Berry. He's in there waiting on you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillum. Ms. Gillum, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. She needs an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date, Ms. Gillum, for April the 27th, 2026 at 8:30. Are you there? Unmute yourself and start your camera.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, when I call the case, make sure you unmute yourself, start your camera, please.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the map. Listen. All right, let's go back, call the City of Detroit versus Willie Anthony Love, case number SP 185-03311. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, good afternoon, if it may please the court. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Willie Love. Sir, please state your name.
Willie Love.
All right, good morning to you today, or afternoon now. Officer Minyard was here. What's gonna happen with this? You say dismissal?
Prosecutors moving to dismiss. Mr. Love is not the father of the minor. That's their reason to dismiss.
All right, case dismissed. Mr. Love, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Robinson, and we
Thank
will
you.
see you soon, right?
Yes, Judge.
All right. It's Chalfante Glenn. Where's her file? Ms. Harris, it's the City of Detroit versus Chalfante Glenn, case number SP 102-7371, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 113-22341, SP 1186-226, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 124-03071, SP 153-5255, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 889-114, counts 1, 2, and 3, 17-3050-721, 18-4675-88, counts 1, 2, and 3, 18-4675-891, 17-332-829, counts 1, 2, and 3, and the state of Michigan versus Chalfonte Glenn, case number SX322033541. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Glenn, please state your name.
Chalfonte Glenn.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is the date and time, and it's set for what, arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Glenn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
All right, is Ms. Glenn from yesterday or Tuesday?
Yeah, it seems like it. I don't know why she's back, but
Well, she was supposed to take a plea today.
she fell off or something.
So that's why I'm gonna inquire as to, I think she spoke with Mr. Berry, if he still has her offer, because it's not on the docket that I have.
Yeah, well, Mr. Berry's got his hands full with Mr. Laws. Mr. Laws has over 60 some odd cases.
74.
Huh?
74 is what Ms. Horn wrote on her docket.
74, yeah, it's just a lot. It's ridiculous.
She was Tuesday, correct?
I don't know what date she was. Let me see. It should be on the system. 7/9. So let's see. One of the tickets. It was originally scheduled for. Well, I think that maybe 2 days ago for 07 Tuesday.
Okay.
Why did she come back? Fell off.
No, she was going to take a plea. We adjourned her. We were supposed to bring her back the next day, but she wasn't able to.
Okay.
So that's why I had to set her for today. Which was Thursday.
Okay.
I tried to kind of take her to next week, but she said she don't go on Thursday.
Okay.
So it's like
Does she have a valid license?
running to
Running, please.
Okay, he came back and did what I said he was gonna do.
What? Did he score last night, huh?
So he's have to play 64 games to qualify for anything.
65, I thought.
64. He played 61. The Pistons had 3 games left. So he literally is only gonna play these 3 games so he can qualify.
But how did he do last
He
night?
looked good though. He looked like Craig Cunningham.
But how many did he score? They won.
13 and 10 or something like that. He didn't play that many minutes. He played like 20 minutes or something like that. But he got 13, 10, and 7 or something like that.
I don't think any of these people paid their fines, Ms. Mathis. Oh, one dismissed on Bertrand.
Oh, for the review.
Bertrand Green. He paid one of them and the
I'm
other
gonna
one.
be checking it when I'm wrapping up everything to try to make sure for up later on today, because they got up until 4:30 actually. Nice, just paid.
Absolutely.
Check it the next day.
He paid. I don't think anybody else did.
It's valid actually, Judge.
It is. I didn't know it was gonna go by that quick. Hey, it was fine. Are we ready on anybody, Ms. Jenkins?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready on Ms. Gresham.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gresham. Ms. Gresham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Gresham has been advised of her right to trial. She understands that the officer was here, but she would like to waive that right and accept the amended offer, which is to plead to allowing on the license ticket and dismiss the balance. She is seeking 60 days to pay, if possible.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gresham?
Yes.
All right, now the officer, they do have the contact number of the officer, right? He would have been ready to call back, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, with that being said, raise your right hand, ma'am. You got the little baby. She put that baby, she put the baby up to make sure I saw that. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put the your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she went through it for me.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
About taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 13th, 2025, now 9:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Harper. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
They had nothing to show for it.
What were you doing out there?
I was taking my daughter, but she pregnant. She was pregnant too. We was both pregnant at the same time, but I was taking her to the hospital.
All right. All right. What I'm going to do is find her guilty of the amended count allowing, stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to not fine her.
Oh, thank you, Judge.
I'm going to not fine you. That's like your baby gift.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going to waive the late fees on this other ones too. And I'm going to give you 60 days on these old tickets that you never pay. Review in 60 days. And then I'm going to mark the file allow payment plan. So before 60 days is up, either come down, I'm going to put a review date, come back on June the 9th on these old tickets. June the 9th.
Yes.
2025, I'm marking the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things, pay them off or get in the payment plan on before June 9th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Told you can upload DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. Miss Gresham, what's a baby, girl or boy?
Girl.
All right, that's a little baby. Boy, oh boy. Jeez, oh please. It's amazing. It's amazing the cycle of life. They think about we were that size one day. It's just crazy. So we wish you the best of luck, ma'am, and congratulations. And tell your daughter had a healthy baby as well.
Yes.
All right, that's the most important thing. Congratulations to your daughter as well. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, we dismissed count 1 for her?
We did.
Okay, thank you. Take care, Ms. Gresham.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah, Binks is good.
So what?
That restaurant, they have this Southwest chicken egg roll that is very good.
Southwest chicken egg roll. I'm gonna go up there today.
It is.
That sounds good though. Southwest chicken egg roll sounds good.
I don't know about. I don't know about. That might sound all right. No, that might sound all right. That might sound all right.
You do egg rolls?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do egg rolls. My buddy, I think that I will venture to say that my buddy's family made up the corned beef
egg roll.
Yeah. They own Asian corned beef.
But does that mean they did?
And they've been doing it for.
Because Asian corned beef had it first.
There in Wyoming.
Yes. Yeah, my buddy,
that's cool.
Hassan and Brandy, they own Asian corned beef. Their mom retired. I gotta think that they're the first person that I ever known to make an egg roll out of anything.
That's where we started eating from, right over
Yep.
there.
Yep.
Asian, but you know about that, Miss Glenn. You too young for that. Let's go back on the record with Miss Glenn. Miss Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Miss Glenn does have a valid driver's license, Miss Harris.
I do know that. And congratulations to you, Ms. Glenn, on being able to have and maintain a valid license. The current recommendation, Your Honor, is she could plead to 6 counts of improper plates, 2 counts of allowing, with the remaining matters dismissed. 6 counts of improper plates, 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
You want to take this deal, or a lot of these tickets are super old? Or you want to set a trial date, ma'am?
I want to take the deal.
You have, what's 6 times 8? What's 240 times 8?
I just counted.
1920
times 8.
something like that. 1,920. No.
Yes, you got it right, Attorney Harris.
Oh, y'all tell me I can do mental math. I'm proud of myself.
$1,920, ma'am.
1920.
But how much community service would that be, Your Honor?
12 times 8.
96.
96. You want to do community service?
96 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, that's
or do you want to go to trial and see if you can do a better job than this? That's the reason why I asked you. I know you sit there, you want to get it over with, but people that want to get it over with, they usually have the money to pay right now.
Yeah, I understand. I don't got the whole 19. Well, we can make payment plans, right?
Well, why don't you just take a trial
Set the
date?
trial date, Ms. Glenn.
You do better. You're not going to do any worse.
And if, I know that for the record, the offer is contained, but yes.
I'll leave the offer open. Improper 6 counts of improper plate and 2 counts of allowing.
Okay.
Take the trial date, Ms. Glenn, and just come early that day.
Okay, I will.
And you say only day you have off is a Thursday?
No, I actually have, if we can get it done as soon as possible, I have Monday and Tuesday off coming.
The date is May the 8th.
May 8th. Okay,
That's
I
a
could
Friday.
just request that off because
Well, we don't want you to request any days off. If you have a day off, we'll get it to you. You want May the 11th? That's a Monday.
Okay, yeah. I usually
Trial.
have Mondays off.
May the 11th.
May 11th.
Don't tell me you sleep and you missed your date and all that kind of stuff.
I won't.
Come on and mark it down. May the 11th. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You guys too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Tell Mr. Laws to come in here, please. Mr. Berry, did you work out something for Mr. Laws?
Your Honor, there is a plan in progress. Your Honor, could I speak with Attorney Harris briefly in a room?
Yeah, go to your room. She's in there, Mr. Berry. Got one of them wipes. I don't have any more. You don't?
Here, I have one. Oh.
We'll reload tonight, though.
This is ridiculous, man.
I know. I'm trying to get it straightened out.
You said that last time.
I got the wrong question. I will reload.
No, Mr. Law. You were here over a couple years ago.
I didn't realize it was so long.
It's okay. Mr. Judge.
313-391-3006. Good morning to you. What's your name, please? On the telephone. Good morning to you. What's your name, please? Man, what kind of wife is that?
Lysol. What's wrong with you?
You must have just dipped that in some Lysol.
I actually just squeezed some of it out so it wouldn't be too wet. For you.
Oh, did you? God, no. All right.
You want a napkin?
No, good. Who's on the phone? I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it was a lot of Lysol on them wipes. She got the best kind, the name brand.
Ms. Mathis said she like them.
Who's on the telephone? Hello?
Kevin. Hello.
What's your name, please?
Hello. It's Kevin Lalone. Lalone.
Lalone?
Yeah. I can't get a video to come up or anything.
He's on the afternoon. You want
Yeah.
Let me see one.
It ain't no more. That's it. You could have went.
Ms. Jenkins, he's on the afternoon docket. You want to take care of him or you want him to come back at 1:30?
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
City of Detroit versus Kevin Allen Lalone. Case number, strike that. State of Michigan versus Kevin Allen Lalone. Case number SX4665712, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you. Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Lalone. Sir, will you please state your full name for the record?
Kevin Allen Lalone.
All right, day, date, and time. Good afternoon to you. Set for an arraignment. Go ahead for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Thank you. We will stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lalone, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Miss Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there.
Thank you.
It's a arraignment on an improper plates and a seatbelt ticket. This attorney Myers never came back in.
Was you treating today? What are you talking about, Mama?
He need to be treated.
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor. I do need to speak with Mr. Laws once again, just briefly.
What's the deal? What's the offer?
The offer is 24 tickets on the back end of 74, Your Honor. We seek a trial date. It seems the only reasonable way to go.
But if he don't come to me to class.
No, he's coming back in.
Yeah, I got the wrong court date.
No, you're gonna get the right court date this time.
I know, but I got.
We're gonna give you some paperwork and everything. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gerald Laws. Mr. Laws, your next court date is gonna be May the 8th. We shouldn't even put that on a Friday, should we?
No.
Put it on a Monday?
Let's put it on a Tuesday.
On a
Let's
Tuesday.
give him May.
You give me the date.
12th.
May the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. May the 12th. No, May the 12th. I don't want to see him on Friday. Listen. All right. This is the last chance. I'm not accepting any excuses. May the 12th. Come on in.
All right. What would I need to do?
Just come in.
Just come in, don't miss.
Yes, sir.
Not miss, sir.
Or you can even zoom in.
No.
You want them to come in?
Yeah.
Ms. Mathis, go ahead. Come on in, May the 12th.
I'll be here.
I don't care if you have to walk.
I'll be here.
All right.
Now I charged the phone up some.
All right, Jackie.
Probably got about 40% now.
Dang, that quick?
I got this charger brand new. I just bought it yesterday.
That shouldn't matter, Joe. Unless you got the good one. All right, May 12th, Mr. Laws. Is this your number at 283-2296?
Yes, sir.
Write that number down on there too.
Okay, here, Judge. Yeah.
283-2296.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You got a free charge. You give them a cup of coffee. We didn't get, I was gonna get the bagels, but I forgot.
They gave you a
I'll-
break too.
I got bagels on.
They did.
We try it next week. I won't be here tomorrow. But we can try it next week.
Oh, good. Thanks for telling us now, huh?
I'll be out tomorrow too.
All right, thank you.
Saturday, we gotta work Saturday too.
Thank you. How much was it like?
Guess I'll take the day too then, right? May as well.
What's the date?
Might be here tomorrow.
May 12th. There you go.
All right,
If
thank
you
you.
forget
sir.
it's right there. You're actually supposed to bring this paper back with you on the 4th.
All right, I will.
May the 12th.
I'll be here.
All right, come at 8 o'clock.
I was supposed to be up today, yesterday.
All right, be safe.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, best of luck to you.
Take care, Mr. Laws. All right, thank you.
We got what's not looking that bad? Which, Raymond on the bench warrant, you got 183 tickets.
Jeez.
Pre-trials, just 60 tickets, 25 show causes, 23 trial tickets.
I'll be here.
25 arraignment.
Yeah,
That's not a
but-
bad day though.
Yeah, but
It's just the arraignment on the
he has
bench warrant
100
from the
by himself.
amnesty. Huh?
He have 100 by himself.
Yeah, we are real.
That was today.
No, this is tomorrow.
No, I know.
Where you going? Safe in the burger?
Who's
You
the-
gonna sit and eat?
What's the place, what's the name today?
I don't know what they have down there, some turkey, something, but they probably gone.
Can you order my stuff on the way out?
Yeah, just call
And
me.
I'll cash out.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Basement burger.
Where is that?
Like right, as soon as you go down, what is that, Brush?
Yeah, that's brush.
Yeah, when you go down Brush,
No, that's Bovian.
right when you get to, before you get to Monroe, when you cross Gratiot. As soon as you cross Gratiot, it's right there on the corner.
Where the Subway used to be?
Mm-hmm. No, on the other side.
Is it on the other side?
It's nothing where the Subway used to be now.
Oh, they tore the subway
They
down?
knocked it down, but it's not in there.
They knocked the subway down?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
I don't know.
Was they about to put something bigger and better?
But on the other side, it's Basement Burger. Basement Burger is like,
Where that bar is?
it's on the corner. Yeah, it's inside of it.
Yeah, but it's the bar is not on the corner because the bar has got the lot on the.
No, Basement Burger is the bar.
Yeah, but it is a lot there on the corner.
Oh, across. So like when you walking down Brush and then Gratiot does like this, you got to cross Gratiot. And then right there on the corner is Basement Burger. Soon as you get there,
That's where the Subway was, where the corner, on the corner.
No, when you go like this, the Subway was right here to your left. Harbor House sit right here, back in between them. And then Subway sat in front of Harbor House. It's nothing there now. It's just Harbor House, lot, and then Basement Burger.
I'll probably
Basement
never,
burger not that bad.
I'll probably never go anyway.
Decent in there.
Judge, you're not a burger person, huh?
I am. I make the best.
I would think your burger's better than mine. You gotta see mine.
You gotta.
My ground chucking. I put some stuff in. I can't tell you what I put in there. But I put some stuff in my ground chuck.
We'll settle this later. But we gotta get into
I
it.
want to be there for the taste test.
Oh, the bar.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lalone. Mr. Lalone, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Thank you, Judge. If possible, we would like to dismiss on the registration. He did text me over a copy of his registration. It's valid till April 9th, 2027, and he would like to admit responsibility to the seatbelt ticket.
Miss Horn?
I'll
Any
take it, Your Honor. No objection.
Sorry, you want to take the deal, Mr. Lalone?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis on your client's behalf for the responsible plea?
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
So stipulated.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible, Mr. Lalone, for the seatbelt ticket, $65. When can you pay?
Next week, next Friday.
All right, pay it by next Friday. Pay it at any DivDak kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the Did That app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. That's April 17th.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
All right.
yes,
Best
sir.
of luck
Thank
to
you
you.
for your time.
And thank you for
You
yours.
stay
Have
safe
a very,
out there, sir.
all right. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
You too. Thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome. Miss,
Bye.
that'll the morning there.